Hello, my name is Tweepy, and this is the assignment 2 of the social data mining techniques. So in this assignment, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a web page, and then I'm gonna connect to a social media platform with API and send a post through my web page using API, and also store the post that I send through API to a database. So the social media platforms that I'm gonna use is Twitter and Reddit. So Twitter is a very popular American microblogging and social networking service on which users post interactive messages and known as tweets. So what I'll be doing is I'll be posting a tweet from my web page using the API, and Reddit is also a very large American social news aggregation, web content rating and discussion website. So I'll be posting a post to Reddit also. So the web page that I created is using Flask and Python. So here I am using Flask to create a root for the files, and here if we get a hash, we are going to this site, and if we get //html, we are routing it to a home.html. So home.html, this is a home.html. This is a here we are just importing a bootstrap for the CSS, and we are having this nav bar for the for moving into the pages, and we are using form to get input from the user. So yeah, here this is an image, and this is a form. So the action, we are passing that to handle data here. I'll explain it during the demonstration. So and here we are getting input from the user, and we have a button, and this is JavaScript code. So connecting with the social media API. So here for the Twitter, we are actually using Tweepy module. So we have to install that first, and after signing in for a developer account, get the customer key, customer secret, and we'll get the access key and the access secret. So with all that, we need to get the authentication. So we are passing this these keys, and we are getting the authentication. First, like, we need to get the these like access key and the access secret will be we only get after we receiving an OTP. So after getting that, we actually save that here and access it. So to upload a tweet, what we are using is we are using this API.update status, and this gets posted to a to the Twitter. And this is the connection to the MongoDB. So this is I'm using MongoDB. MongoDB is a open source and free database, and this is a we have connected to this database. So for connection, I'm using this MongoDB client, and I'm using PyMongo package for this, and I'm using the database test and the collection test, and I'm posting the tweet that I'm uploading to the Twitter, and also concurrently posting it into the database also. So the demonstration. So the so here we are actually let me just run this. Okay, so we get in this page. Sorry, let me just. So this is my home page, and so this is a Twitter's page, and we have this log and home. Here we can actually put in the post that we want to like tweet. So this, and we're gonna put in the time also. 10, 20. Okay. So when I hit the submit, that should work. I think the redirect has some issue, but let me see. Yeah, we can see that this has been this has been posted to my Twitter account, and let me check my database. Yeah, in my database also the tweet has been saved, so everything's working good, and I'll explain the code. So this Tweepy is for the Twitter package, and this web browser is for the Flask, and I'm importing time for the timestamp, and we are importing Flask, and we're getting requests to get back the data from the user column, and we are using PyMongo for the like MongoDB, and we are importing Mongo client from there. So we are connecting to this database. We are using the test set. This is not what we need right now. We are using here, we are connecting to the test set, and the database is also test set, and we are posting it the tweet that we getting from this request. So we are actually going to this web page /html, and this is a home.html, and here after the user input the data and submit, it's a post request. So the action is to give the data to the handle data. So here in the handle data, we are getting the input from the user, and saving the value of the tweet that we posted in tweet, and we have these credentials, and we authenticate with this key, and what we do is we send this status update using this this API update status, and we are sending this tweet that we get from the user. Concurrently, we are connecting with the Mongo client, and we are using this database and this collection, and we are posting it through this this collections answer one of this post. So that's the working of this, and for my next social media platform, I couldn't like make it work. I was working with Reddit, and I am having some errors, and I couldn't like complete the part of the Reddit. So that's all with my presentation. Thank you, and have a nice day.